Well, last week we've been starting to coding our new indicator, as we see right in front of us. This is our new developed indicators with our machine learning methods to calculate most of the density area, support resistance, and calculate what the trend is going on. Okay, and also we have our oscillators on the bottom, shows some of the energies here. From this indicator, the inspirations for that is time and space. It is really important in forex markets that we know what's the time and what's the space that the price will happen for the time might change it, especially on the indices market. That is really a key for us. So from this pivot to this pivot right here, from this pivot, we have Fibonacci 1 and 0, and now we are over here. So remember, if that happens, time and space correlated, that means if we are rapidly come to 50%, we should retrace back somehow to fill this gap here for the time and space concept. If we are targeting this low right here, what that should be? Let's make assume that price next week will take this low here. It's really common and really normal for the price that take the previous low or previously high. This is really normal, right? We all, as a trader, we know that price either find the liquidity or either to fulfill the imbalance of the market. And this will be several levels for me, very important, 70% and 30%. Those are the key zones for me. Half quadro, left half quadro. So if this is 70%, that the price will return to this density area, which is 1870, instead of this 50% retracement to density 22, 21, 27. So if the time and space shows for the market open in the Asia session until London session, it will go all the way to low and then retrace back, got resisted in this level, and then go low, take this low after the London session, which we are coming to here. In this area is a discount area. Okay, so that if we are aligning with our time and space theory, this is what the price will go. Another assumption is if the time and space is really rapidly drop or rapidly respond, we have our Monday open, Asian session open, and then the price dramatically drop to here, 50%, and start to wait until the London open to the 30%, which is this fair value gap area right here. Great, and then that will become to this level, resistance level, okay? Or in the New York open, we can retrace back to this level here or here, and still we might to tracing to the same level, okay? So there's two options and the guessing about the price, how the price will go higher. Now, from this pivot low right here to this pivot high right here, we have 1%, 100% here, 0 here. The price will always rebalance or balance, right? Two interesting area for me is 70% aligning with this middle line here. If the time comes back to the 70%, it also hit about the regression channel. And one plan will be, if it has still come up, consolidation here with the time and the space, and then we go higher high, okay? So that's the plan 1. Second plan will be the price come off of this level, and then in the London session, we will see that some price to the London open trade to this fair value gap right here, which is this level, and then we are using the rest of the day to achieve this target right here. So it's always time and space, zones, time, zones, and space. So if this retrace back, aggressively already reach the targets, and then for that we will have a huge pull up, right? If we are retracing back from this to this, we accumulated that the density area, and when the time comes, which is an equity market or 130, right? Now we are coming to the SP 500. It's the same theory. First, we are overbought condition, so we are definitely will have some of the retracements. We don't know how much it will be, 70% or 50 or 30, right? For the 30 and 70 is our most interesting part areas here. So the price off of this pivot low comes to this pivot high right here, and then what we do is we come to retracement. If the price and the time aligns what that theory is, we come to 70% for the rest of the day until equity market open, right? 8:30 New York time, we would like to go dramatically go to the top, okay? So that's the plan right here. Maybe after 8:30 here, that is the time and space. What if that price is retracing back aggressively off of this zone right here into 30%? We cannot achieve here 30%. Then the trend is broken, right? So we only have this time until here, come to this density area also 30%. So it might to the London session open. We will have London session open. Maybe we are coming here, London 8:30, London session open. Or Frankfurt, let's go Frankfurt. It's not enough yet. Frankfurt open and the London session open. And start to go right, start to bull run until we achieve this area right here, right? So that is something that we can expect about the time, space, resistance, trend going together. If this cannot correlate to each other together, reach this area right here, we would think that the trend will have some issues, that the trend will be changed after that. For the Dow, we see that the trend that will continues, the downtrend also, upper band, lower band. For that, we didn't see anything here, and go back. When that trend comes down, this area maybe reaching 22% right here, and go to low until this area right here. Right? Okay, so if the time and space we have it is like this. But what another theory is time and resistance is resisting that prices. We are off of this area here. Other core markets might do still going low, but the Dow or the Dow is still consolidation, and it might be come only to this level and still going high, right? Because if the trend would go like this area, might come to take all of that, type into this fair value right here in some area, right? So that is our another forecast for the Dow.